Hi, and welcome to this segment of Navigate training. Today, we're going to cover how to find a study buddy. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into the Navigate app or the desktop version of the site. You'll want to click the Study Buddies icon on the left-hand side menu. Once you click Study Buddies, you'll be prompted to view available groups. So I'm going to click View Available Groups. At this point, I can see there's already one person in the Study Buddy group for my Programming Paradigms class. So I'm going to click Join. Once you click join, this text box will pop up asking you to give permission for other students to reach out to you via your Pepperdine email address. So I'm going to click yes. And then from here, you can click this blue arrow and it will show you the other students in the Study Buddy group. So I can see that Michael Scott is already in the group. I'm going to click this checkbox. And then if I wanted to reach out to Michael, I could click email selected. A text box will pop up. I can type my email and click send, and it will go directly to Michael Scott. As other people join the Study Buddy group, you can select multiple people. And then also I wanted to let you know that you can set your notification settings. So once you have joined the Study Buddy group and click go back, you can then click notification settings where you will be able to let the system know how you would like to be contacted. You can enter a phone number as well if you would like to receive text messages. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy the Study Buddies feature.